If your Epic Games Launcher is giving you login errors on Windows 10 or Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that solves the problem for many users. This is one of the most common solutions when the launcher gets stuck, refuses to sign in, or keeps looping on the login screen. The good news is you can often fix it in just a couple of minutes without reinstalling the launcher or changing complicated settings. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PC troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. This is important because if it's still running in the background, Windows may not let you delete the cache files properly. You can close it from the taskbar, and if needed, open Task Manager and end any Epic Games Launcher process that is still active. Once that's done, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %localappdata% and then press Enter. This will take you directly to your local app data folder where Windows stores application files and temporary data. Now look for the folder named Epic Games Launcher and open it. Inside that folder, open the Saved folder. This is where the launcher keeps important data, including cached web files that can sometimes become corrupted and cause login errors. Now find any folder named Webcache or Webcache underscore followed by numbers, like Webcache underscore 4147 or something similar. Delete those Webcache folders completely. Don't worry, this will not remove your games or your account. It only clears the launcher's temporary login and browsing data, which is often enough to fix sign-in problems. After deleting the cache folders, close File Explorer and restart the Epic Games Launcher. Give it a moment to load, then try logging in again with your Epic Games account. In many cases, the launcher should now sign in normally without the error message or endless loading screen. If the issue was caused by a damaged cache, this simple reset can make a huge difference. If you're still having trouble, double-check that the launcher was fully closed before you deleted the cache, and make sure you removed every Webcache folder inside the save directory. Sometimes there can be more than one, and leaving one behind can cause the same problem to return. And that's it. You've now cleared the Epic Games Launcher cache and taken the first important step to fixing login errors on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming and PC repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.